In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a calendar in Outlook and copy the HTML link. To get started, open your web browser and go to outlook.live.com or outlook.office.com. Once you've signed in and the page has loaded, head over to the calendar section. This is where you'll manage your calendar settings and create the shareable publish link. After you're inside calendar, look for the settings icon in the top area of the page. It usually appears as a small gear symbol. Click on that and then choose View All Settings. This will open the full settings panel where you can access more advanced options than the quick settings menu provides. In the settings panel, select Calendar and then go to Shared Calendars. This section is specifically designed for sharing and publishing your calendar. So this is where you'll find the option you need. If you don't immediately see everything, take a moment to scroll through the menu carefully so you don't miss the correct section. Now, under the area labeled Publish a Calendar, choose the calendar you want to publish. If you have more than one calendar in your account, make sure you select the correct one before moving on. Then, set the access level you want to allow. This determines how much information people can see when they open your published calendar. So choose the option that best matches your needs. Once both the calendar and the access level are selected, click Publish. Outlook will then generate links for that calendar. After the publishing process is complete, look for the HTML link provided. This is the link you'll use if you want